Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. Yesterday we also managed to break through our key area of resistance at around the $1.17 mark, and as we try to have a successful retest of that key area of support, the retest was not a success, and you can see we lost that key area of support, and at the time of this recording we are trading at around the $1.1502 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area highlighted here on the charts using this red target area, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $1.1466 mark. And having seen the formation of that first wave and a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, my primary scenario here on the Polygon Matic chart has been that whatever we are seeing is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And to also confirm to us that we are in the formation of that wave 3, you can see that at the time of this recording we are also still holding above the wave 1 high of this Elliot wave structure right here at around the $1.14 mark, which is enough confirmation of the impulsiveness in the formation of that wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you my target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first give you a target area in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.2674 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upside to do. And once we fully maximize our target areas in the formation of that wave 3, we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. And to also confirm of the impulsiveness in the formation of that wave 3, as long as we are holding above the wave 1 high at around the $1.1466 mark, there are high chances that Polygon Matic is going to continue gearing up until we fully maximize our minimum target areas. But in case the breakdown continues here on the Polygon Matic chart, which at the time of this recording was not able to continue holding above our key area of resistance at around the $1.17 mark, which we had managed to break above yesterday, there are chances that we might continue seeing a bit of a cool off over here and maybe at some point lose our wave 1 high. And in case such a move plays out, then there are high chances that we might see a reset of this second wave to the lower side within this red target area, and maybe possibly get another one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2 within this red target area, which lies between the $1.0888 mark and the $1.0533 mark. But as long as we are holding above the wave 1 high, chances are we are going to start seeing a reversal very soon, continue gearing up, and continue unlocking higher prices until we fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. And to also give you my long-term outlook here on the Polygon Matic chart, basing it on this Elliot structure that I have right here in yellow, where you can see that we bottomed out in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 2 within this red target area, and that was after peaking in that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $1.5629 mark. And now my primary scenario on the long-term scenarios is that we are seeing the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. And that's the reason as to why you can see that here on the charts I have these micro Elliot wave counts where we have peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, and now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3, where I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, and it is this Elliott wave structure within the formation of this wave 3 that has just given me the short-term scenarios, having the target areas in the formation of that wave 3 at around the $1.2706 mark, and that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 45 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, though we are seeing a bit of a decrease in the selling momentum, suggesting that soon we might be able to print a bullish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.